back to Created to Inspire, the channel where you become your best self. In my last video, I shared that I created a job wish list, which led to me becoming a business analyst. So in this video, I'm actually going to share the steps I use to create my job wish list. So let's get into it. Number 1. Create a list. So this step is all about doing some inner work, okay? This will not be easy, but this step is so important because we're going to manifest the job that we want or the career that we want. We have to be intentional and be specific. You got to know what you want in a job. So this list helps you hone in on what you actually want. And I just want to make this clear. It's okay if you do not know exactly what you want to be or do, but this list will at least get you one step closer into the right direction. When creating this list, try to figure out what you like to do, whether it's relating to your passion or your purpose in life or something that aligns to your strengths. But try to stay in this realm so you can at least enjoy or not mind your job. Now that you know what you would like to do, you will add that to the list. The second thing you will add to the list are job amenities. You all be specific on here. I added a gym, I added a cafe, I added whatever I wanted. I want it to be realistic, but I'm manifesting this. Whether you want a gym, a cafe, a parking deck for paid parking, whatever you want, include this on the list. Next is work culture. Do you want it to be professional? Do you want it to be laid back? Or do you want it in the middle? Me, I wanted it to be relaxed. I wanted to wear jeans, feel comfortable, not too uptight, and be very intentional with this because we're speaking this into existence. Then comes the management style. List the type of management style that you want. I made sure to include, I wanted good leadership. I wanted leaders that truly wanted to pour and develop into their team. I didn't want a micromanager. I wanted someone who was fair, trusted me to do the job, and was very respectful. So make sure you put the type of leadership style and management that you would like. Now we're going to get to the really good part. Salary and benefits. With the salary, put something that you really want to make. You can put the range, you could put the specific number. Make sure you're being realistic, but also make sure that you don't skimp out on your worth. You know the type of job that you can do. You know the quality of the job you can do. So don't short yourself. With benefits, I want you all to put, do you all want great medical, dental, very affordable healthcare rates, generous vacation and sick time? This is very important. And I just want y'all to know this. If you all do not know what type of benefits you all want, research them. Some people think 1 week of vacation is amazing. Or 2 weeks. No, I get at least 19 days in addition to my sick time. I get a lot of time off. So research and put on this job wish list exactly what you want. And I want you all to include advancement opportunities. It was very important for me to include that in my job. I did not want to get stagnant at all. If I'm working my butt off and it's something that I truly would like to do, I want to see that there's some growth in there so that I can actually get promoted to another position. And when I say promotion, I mean an upward promotion. I'm not talking about a lateral move, meaning that I'll be making the same amount of money doing this different job. No, whether it's leadership, managerial, a completely different department, I want to make sure if I want to continue to climb the corporate ladder, those options are available. So I made sure to include this on a job wish list as well. Then I included things I wanted this job to offer, such as I wanted it to be challenging yet fun. I wanted to have personal and professional development. I wanted to have some support groups. I wanted to have like some type of mentorship, things like that. I have people who are willing to help me get to the next level, and it's just not very cutthroat. I made sure to include this, as well as I didn't want it to be too stressful. Stress is going to happen with your job regardless, but I want it to be a healthy stress, not a toxic stress. And one of the last things I included on my job wish list, flexible work schedule. This job allows me to work from home, and I am so grateful. Here in Ohio, it's winter time. The roads can be very harsh. I just want y'all to really put the type of job schedule you all want. I have different options. I can work 9 to 5. I can work 7 to 3:30. I can work 10-hour shifts. I have so many options. So be sure to include this on your job wish list. To the left is actually my job wish list. I created this in June of 2020. I created this and I was so excited about it, and I made sure to be very intentional with this. So this concludes step number 1. Step number 2, believe you can have exactly what you put on this list. This is about manifesting this, making this a reality. Know that you deserve this. Honestly, you deserve more. And believing that this list is attainable and achievable. Step number 3, this step is very important. This step is all about sharing your list with God or the universe. Take this list to God, be intentional about it, pray about it. This is all what step 3 is about. Step number 4, take this list to God, pray, and ask that God will bless you with the opportunity He wants you to have, not what you want to have. Although you created this list, you should want what God wants for you, because our mind is limited. We have this thing on this list, all of these things we are listing, all of the factors, and God can be like, she think that she want this. Oh, I got something even greater. Step number 5, start preparing yourself for that job or career. When I say this, I mean start taking additional free training classes, or even if you got to pay a little money to take some classes. This is your future. It's an investment. Next is updating your resume. I updated my resume several times. And with that being said, I looked online, looked at similar resumes, looked at their action words, updated mine, make sure mine was very good, current, and make sure I had a good chance with the competition. And the last step, step number 6. This step is all about being consistent. Be consistent with preparing for this job, praying, doing whatever you can to help yourself become this best person and candidate for this position. And in due time, something will come. And I just want to make this clear, super clear. Patience is key. It does not happen on our time. Sometimes it happens on God's. I hope this video inspired you all to create a job wish list and be intentional on getting that job or career that you all truly want. And when you all do get that job, don't forget to come and let me know in the comments so we can celebrate together. Thanks once again for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.